Hi guys, today we will make a new meal. So it will be chicken, wait, in English I think it's caramel too, caramel, yes. If it's not this I will write, but I'm pretty sure that it's caramel too. So this with the rice, okay. Um, Before we start, if you have idea for next video, you can comment like what type of meal you want, what I can wear, or other ideas. It's as you want, okay. So we start with the chicken. So I wash my hands and the chicken so we can start, okay. So I will cut in a square. Maybe one day I will talk in French if you want. I talk in English because you are a lot from America or other country, not France, so I think it's better to talk in English, but if you want one day I can talk in French, no problem. Okay. So now I will put in a trash. Okay, so now we will add the things for the chicken. So I will use, I think it's soja, no, it's not soja in English. I don't know. In French, it's soja. I think you see what I mean. So I will use 3 times. Okay. I will use garlic. Just one. I prefer to do with this. I don't like to cut, I don't want to lose my fingers. Okay. And the onion is for after, okay? So, curcuma, in English I think, I don't know. Don't worry, I will write in the description. And paprika. Okay. It's like this. So you put in the fridge, the best it's 1 hour, okay, so I will do 1 hour and it's good, okay. Okay, so it will be good in 5 minutes, so we can cut the onion. Complicated today. Sorry for the the sounds, it's my cat. Okay. So we will cook the rice. So we can add the chicken. After 5 minutes, we can add the onion. Complicated, this one. I can add the rice now. So now I will reduce and add sugar. And this thing. Maybe I will use more because I have a lot of sauce. When you have too much, you cook more hot, you see? For reduce, sorry. Okay, so it's done for the rice and the chicken too, so you see the sauce is perfect.